Well, hello there. I hope you can hear me because of the wind. But it's windy, sunny, bit cold, but alright, nice day. And I haven't really had any luck with finding nappable stones in my area. But there's this one type of stone which sort of works. Remember, I'm not really skilled at this, but this kind of stone, it does sort of work. So I'm keeping an eye out on this, and I found this piece. So let's see how it goes. And I'll be using this quartz pebble I found as a hammerstone. Let's see. Unfortunately, I don't think this is gonna work. I did note a very peculiar smell when I hit the rock. Like eggs, sulfur, I think. And there's a lot of crystalline in it, but also a lot of rough stuff. So unfortunately, I don't think the stone is gonna work. It is what it is. But let's see. Okay. This one. I should have brought gloves, so I have something to hold on. That's the issue with working or being forced to work with smaller material. It's really easy to hit your fingers, I've noticed, because it's just, yeah. I refuse to buy rocks or flint or whatever online. Nothing against it, but it's just not for me. Also, with my skill level, that would be a huge waste of money, I think. Of course, you have to learn it somehow, but buying rocks online and then just smashing them, that's, yeah, I cannot, how do you say? I cannot justify it to myself. Let's keep it at that. So I managed to make something, actually. A sort of very crude double-edged blade. You can use as a scraper or a small knife. I'm quite limited by the size and the shape of it. It's too square that with my skill level I could take advantage of the straight edge. It's too thick for me. I don't know how to work that. But yeah, I managed to flake actually this type of rock. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for this type of rock, because it seems to be one of the best candidates for stone knapping in my area. And I'm gonna take this home, because this is actually useful. I'm also gonna take this one home, because it's actually useful. Thank you for watching. As always, I'm learning this, quite new to all of this, so don't expect to learn much from me, but maybe it's useful to watch to get some of your own hesitation out of the way and start with it. Thank you for watching. These kind of paths or whatever might be one of the better places to look for knappable material when you live in an urban environment. These kind of rubble paths where rocks and stones are dumped, because there is such a variety of what is dumped here, that when you're lucky you might find actually something that's useful. Mostly bricks in my case, old bricks, but sometimes you see something that catches your eye, like for example this. Focus. I don't know what kind of material this is. It's nice, shiny, and has quite sharp edges. There's a lot of fractures in it, I think, so we'll see. But it has a kind of sharp edge already from nature. So I'm gonna take it home and maybe I can do something with it. That's the nice part, that you get outside, you take a walk, you look at the ground, and maybe you find something. Maybe you don't, but you're outside. That's good. And you don't spend any money on it.